Good evening, I'm Alex Dierckman. Critics say the Pence administration is not moving fast enough to develop a plan for implementation of the Affordable Care Act. Indiana Family and Social Services Administration Secretary Deborah Minot says other than a passing mention, the subject of expanding the Healthy Indiana plan to cover more people did not come up. And some legislators say they worry the state will miss out on the first year of federal funding for healthcare expansion, whether through the Healthy Indiana plan or Medicaid. But Pence administration officials say they are optimistic thousands of Hoosiers will retain their health insurance and HIP through an extension of the program by the federal government. The Healthy Indiana plan, the state's health insurance program for low-income Hoosiers, currently serves 37,000 people with a wait list of around 53,000. If the federal government doesn't grant Indiana an extension, the state will begin dismantling the program in August, and those 37,000 Hoosiers will lose their insurance at the end of the year. Officials expect to receive definitive approval of an extension of HIP sometime this summer. A U.S. District Court judge told the Indiana Department of Correction in December to improve the way they handle mentally ill inmates. The DOC was accused of locking inmates with mental disabilities in solitary confinement for hours at a time. The American Civil Liberties Union says the DOC has failed to make changes since the order was issued, and they will have to answer to those allegations during a hearing at the District Court for the Southern District of Indiana. There, the DOC is expected to outline its exact plans for improving conditions. Indiana ACLU officials say with so much damage being done, the DOC needs to act quickly. And a Martinsville high school student is suing the Martinsville School District after being the victim of child seduction cases involving two of the school's coaches. Both Timothy Wolf and Jeffrey McGowan pleaded guilty to 3 criminal charges of child seduction with a student that was a minor. The complaint alleges the school was negligent and did not provide the student a safe learning environment to protect her from foreseeable harm. The complaint, which was filed June 17th, also says the student suffered extreme mental and emotional anguish and distress. And here's a look at your weather. Tonight, a 50% chance of thunderstorms with lows around 71 degrees. Tomorrow, a 70% chance of thunderstorms, 86 degrees as the high. And tomorrow night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of thunderstorms with 69 degrees as the low. And here's a look at the 5-day forecast. Thursday, a 20% chance of thunderstorms with 88 degrees as the high, 82 degrees on Friday, and 80 degrees on Saturday with a 30% chance of thunderstorms. For more on these stories and other local news, go to indianapublicmedia.org.